Today was really lovely connecting with lots of other singer-songwriters and finding out that we all feel quite similarly in our struggles and the things that are holding us back from doing what we want to do.
Actually, the benefit of really admitting to myself that this is something that I really want to do, which I kind of wasn't in a space of prior to coming.
Certainly the best first step for a new singer-songwriter to understand what they need to do to get into the industry. For me, it's knowing that I really need a plan, and I need to write that plan down. It needs to be clear to me what I need to do.
Getting some concrete, clear, actionable direction to further what I want to be doing with music, and someone to hold my hand doing that.
Yeah, I've really come out of today with that goal in clear focus. The benefit of really clearly identifying blockages that are in my way and ways in which to negate those. Yeah, and a really clear why. That's probably the standout, is walking away with a really defined why that can be a bit of an anchor moving forward.
Just to sit and be in that space and to think about these questions and think about what you want to do and think about the things that are stopping you.
It feels daunting, but it feels exciting, because I'm going to be pushing against some self-imposed limitations.
Hearing other people's stories and hearing how their journey is going to pan out.
I think coming to an event like this really gives a sense of camaraderie, that you are connecting with people from probably lots of different genres within the musical industry, but seeing the commonality that everyone faces similar kind of roadblocks.